Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix storage full error in Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. If you're using Galaxy S21 and you're facing the issue that your storage is full, you're seeing this error again and again. So let's see some possible fixes for this. You just have to simply open your settings app here, just scroll down and go to device here, click on device here and just click on storage. You must see your storage overview here. You can see that how much storage you have used, how much storage you have, and how much storage you have remaining. So you just have to click on this show more. Now if your storage has full, so you can try to clean up your storage. Like you can go to videos here, just click on this arrow icon over videos. Now if you can delete the videos you don't need, just click on these three dots, click on select the videos you don't need. Or you can also try to select all and then try to delete them. So it will help you to fix out your issue. After deleting videos, you can also go to images, your audio files, your documents, and the most necessary go to apps. In apps, you have to check which app is using more memory or more storage on your phone. So it will start with storage. You must see that the most storage is using by our system app. So I can't do anything with this. But and a third party app like Facebook or YouTube or Instagram, I can do something with this. You can go to YouTube here and just go to storage and here just try to clear cache. You can see in cache I have almost 279 MB, so just clearing cache will clear this data. You can also try to clear data, but it will remove or log out your accounts from your app. So you can do this if you want to. Or if you find any unnecessary app here or any unusual app, so you can try to completely delete that. Let's say I'm gonna delete this one, just select the app, click on this uninstall option, click on uninstall, and the app will be completely uninstalled. It will help you to free up more storage in your phone. After doing this all, I recommend you how to go to check for updates and just make sure that your software is completely up to date. You might have any pending software update here. If you find so you can try to update your software. After updating software, just scroll down and click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this reset icon again to have a restart with your phone. After restarting, your issue might have been fixed. But if you're still getting the same issue, so there's only a single way you have to make a factory reset with your phone. But before you do that, I recommend you have a backup of your data because it will delete everything from your phone. You have to go to general, go to reset, click on erase all data or factory data reset, and here just wait for a few moments. Scroll down, click on reset, and it will completely reset your phone. It will delete your accounts, apps, videos, photos, everything. So you can try to get a backup of that, and then you can try to reset your phone. So it will help you to fix out your issue, and after doing this, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.